Alright, today, you remember me from the last video? Today is my second video. And now we're going to try to work on these three very complicated problems. Alright, so we're going to do the first one. The first one is 20 plus, you know, why would you probably think that? But anyways, here's the thing. Let me just make the original problem. Alright. And plus to let you know, this time, if you want, this time we're doing division. And plus, to let you know, division is similar to fraction. So we're going to do this. This is also known as a reciprocal. Alright. And then what we do next is this. 2 times 10 times 2 times 4. 12 times 2 times 14 times 2 times 16, and then 10 times 12 times 14 times 16. So we cancel the numbers that are marked in there off. Alright, so then it's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which will equal to 16. Our answer for the first problem. Alright, first remember this, and because I'm going to erase this, and plus if you want to look at the first video, click on that link. Alright. And alright, now second problem. Second problem is this. 99 times 45. Well, you might think that this is really superbly difficult. But it's actually that easy, because think, how many numbers is 99 and 1000 away? You guessed it. One number. So we're going to do this. 1000 minus 1 times 45. This time, we're going to use the distributive property, if you want to know. And then what we're going to do next is 1000 times 45 minus 45 times 1. Well, this makes it a lot more simpler. Alright. So now that we have this problem, do the math, and then you get 44, 9, 55. And this is the answer for the second problem. Now I'm gonna write down the answer. Alright, but remember these steps before I erase them. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now I'm gonna erase it. Alright, now our third problem is this. 5 plus 10 plus 15, 90 plus 95 plus 100. Alright. This time, you'll think that you're really definitely bummed out. But first, remember the second video that my brother made, that he, talked about Gauss and stuff, and plus if you want to look at it, click this link. Anyways, so now what we're gonna do is that now we're going to link it. Well, to let you know, this is a different method that I use than John Pierce, but it's also the same method that Goss used. Alright, so 105, and then we have to combine those numbers to make 105 again.
Is that, how do you call this property of math?
Oh.
Rearrange a number.
Besides, this time we're using the commutative property of addition. Multiplication is also commutative too, so don't forget that. And 5 times what equals 100? You guessed it, 20. So therefore, 105 times 20 that will equal 2,100. All right, and now 8. All right, so now you actually try to solve a sum with just this easy method. And now, try to remember this method that I just marked up on the board in about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Erase. Now, thank you. Thank you, and that's all folks. Wait. Alright, and therefore, what we learned today is first of all how to use division with a reciprocal or fraction, whatever, and we also learned how to use the distributive property of multiplication and to use a commutative property in addition to figure out a very long sum. Thank you, and that's all, folks.